Hello student, this is the video number 147 and I will be explain today new topic aromatic hydrocarbons. Aromatic hydrocarbons are specialized cyclic compounds which are known for their characteristics unique smell. Okay, which is characteristic unique smell. Grape aroma, Greek word aroma means fragrance. So this group is also called arenes. Okay, but most of the aromatic compounds were found to contain benzene ring. So benzene ring is highly unsaturated because you already know about double bond, single bond, conjugated system present in benzene ring, right? And it is involved in most of the reaction of the aromatic hydrocarbon. And the unsaturation of the benzene ring is retained. Okay, so benzene and its derivatives are called benzenoids compounds. Okay, benzene and its derivatives are called benzenoids compound. And there are many aromatic hydrocarbons, like many hydrocarbons but do not have benzene ring. So such compounds are called non-benzenoid compounds. So aromatic hydrocarbons, specialized cyclic compounds. It is unique smell and this group is called arenes, Greek word aroma, fragrance. Okay, so some of the compound has benzene contain and some of do not have benzene ring. So there are two types of the compounds, benzenoid and non-benzenoid, right? So see the example, benzenoid and non-benzenoid. See, this is the benzene, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond. So this is the benzenoid. Okay, so its name is benzene. Two benzene ring attached, connected, so its name is naphthalene. Two benzene ring attached by this bond, so we call biphenyl. Okay, but benzenoid. But this way here you see nitrogen attached 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon. So 5 carbon pentane type ring, not a benzene. Okay, so this is the non-benzenoid and its name is pyrrole. What is the name of this compound? Pyrrole. Okay. Next one is nomenclature and isomerism of the benzene compounds. All the 6 hydrogen atoms of the benzene are equivalent, right? But it gives only one type of the product on substrate. Here you see, this is the benzene and benzene attached with the methyl group. So we say methyl benzene. Okay, but common name is toluene. Methyl benzene and its name is toluene. Then benzene attached with the 2 methyl groups. So first number carbon and then second number also. So 1, 2 dimethyl benzene. Okay, and first from like this group and first position we call ortho. Then next position meta and third position para. Ortho position methyl group attached. So ortho xylene, because 2 methyl group attached with the benzene, so we call xylene. 1 methyl group, so toluene. 2 methyl group attached with the xylene. But ortho position methyl group attached, so we say ortho xylene. If meta position attached CS3, so we say metaxylene. And para position other methyl group attached, so we say paraxylene. And IUPAC name numbering given first and second 1, 2 dimethyl benzene. Here 1, 2, 3. So first number and third number. So 1, 3 dimethyl benzene. And here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 4 dimethyl benzene. Okay, clear? Then structure of the benzene. Benzene was first time isolated by Michael Faraday in 1825. And its molecular formula C6H6 and which show the presence of the high degree of the unsaturation into it. But it is highly stable molecules. Okay, benzene first time isolated by Michael Faraday in 1825. And its molecular formula is C6H6 and it is show the presence of the high degree of the unsaturation into it. Okay, but it is highly stable molecule. Okay. Then it forms a triozonide with the O3 because whenever react with the benzene react with the ozone O3, so it forms triozonide and it is show the presence of the 3 double bond. Okay, but further on substitution, it gives only one type of the monosubstituted product, which is show that all 6 carbon and 6 hydrogen atom of benzene are identical. Okay, so after on the basis of the above observation, Auguste Kekule in 1865 proposed the following structure for benzene having cyclic arrangement of 6 carbon atoms and which is alternate single and double bond and one hydrogen atom attached to each carbon. So he say benzene. See, 6 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond. Alternate arrangement in cyclic way, and each carbon, one hydrogen attached of the each carbon. Okay, clear? So on the basis of the above observation, Auguste Kekulé in 1865 proposed this following structure. Okay, clear? Then after, above structure indicates the possibilities of the formation of the two isomeric. Okay, like here halogen attached. So 1,2-dibromobenzene. Here you see benzene, 2 bromine attached with the benzene, right? Same structure, but only for conjugation system are different. Here you see, right? Here both of B are attached 1 and 2. Okay, here also 1 and 2. Only for changing the position of the double bond and single bond. Okay, but however in actual practice only one ortho substrate product is obtained. So Kekulé solved this problem. He suggests the concept of the oscillating nature of the double bond in benzene. Here you see this is the way structure and this is way. So both are resonating structure. He suggests the concept of the oscillating nature of the double bond in benzene. So he remained unable to explain the unusual stability and preference for substitution rather than addition reaction in benzene. Okay, so concept of the resonance he applied. Okay, so what is the resonance and stability of the benzene? See here. If double bond and single bond are formed, so this is the difference between the conjugated system and here cycle way. Okay, so the stability of the benzene can be explained on the basis of the concept of the resonance, right? And according to the Kekulé, benzene is a resonance hybrid of the two structure A and B. Okay, and hybrid structure may be represented by the inserting a inserted a circle or dotted circle in the hexagon as is shown in the C, right? And circle represent the 6 electrons and which are delocalized between the 6 carbon atoms, the benzene ring. Okay, again I say the stability of the benzene can be explained on the basis of the concept of the resonance. And according to the Kekulé, benzene is resonance hybrid of the two structure A and B. And hybrid structure represented by the inserting a circle. Okay, or dotted circle in the hexagon. This circle represents 6 electrons which are delocalized between the 6 carbon atoms of the benzene ring. Then next is orbital structure of the benzene. In benzene, all 6 carbon atom, 3 sp2 hybridized orbitals. See, this is carbon. 1, 2, 3. 3 sigma bond form. So that is means 1s and 2p. So 3 sigma bond. So according to the 3 sigma bond hybridization sp2. So out of which 2 sp2 hybridized at orbitals of each carbon atom overlap with the sp2 hybrid orbitals of the adjacent carbon. This carbon has adjacent carbon p orbital, this carbon also p orbital. Whenever overlap, like see the example, see 1 number carbon and 2 carbon, okay, overlapping, so pi bond are formed, 3rd and 4th, 5th and 6th. So same here, 2nd and 3rd, 5th and 4th, and 1 and 6. So sp2 hybrid orbital of the each carbon atom overlap with the sp2 hybrid orbital of the adjacent carbon atom. Okay, so total 6 carbon sigma bond which lie in the hexagonal plane. So remaining 3 double bond are formed. Okay, clear? So each carbon atom unhybridized p orbital. Okay, an unhybridized p orbital which is perpendicular to the plane of the ring. Okay, an unhybridized p orbital of the each carbon atom overlap laterally with the p orbital of the adjacent carbon and to form a pi bond. So there are 2 equal possibilities of 3 pi bonds are overlap of the p orbital. First and second, third and fourth, fifth and sixth. This is the possibility in this and this one. First and sixth, fifth and fourth, and second and third. So above fact is also supported by the X-ray diffraction, which show all the carbon-carbon bond length. So above fact is also supported by X-ray diffraction, which is show that all the carbon-carbon bond length are equal 139 picometer, and intermediate of the single bond and double bond length. So overlapping of the p orbital of the adjacent carbon atom, so represented in the form of the two Duff-Nuts rings of the electron clouds, one above and then one below the plane. Okay. So the 6 pi electrons so delocalized and can move freely about the 6 carbon nuclei. So this delocalized pi electron cloud is attracted more strongly by the nuclei of the carbon atom than the electron cloud localized between the two carbon atoms. So delocalized pi electron makes the benzene ring more stable. But absence of the pure double bond show the non-reactivity of the benzene towards the usual reaction of the alkenes and also explain its unusual behavior. Okay.